Ready to sell your home but feeling overwhelmed? Let's break down a simple 30-day plan to get your home market ready. Days 1 to 7 are all about decluttering and deep cleaning. Start by going through every room and getting rid of the items that you no longer need. A deep clean is essential too. Scrub the floors, wipe down the walls, and make sure every corner shines. If it feels like too much, consider hiring a professional cleaning service. Now, days 8 to 14 focus on repairs and maintenance. Fix those leaky faucets, tighten those loose handles, and patch up any holes in the walls. Don't forget about the curb appeal. Mow the lawn, trim the bushes, and make sure your front door looks inviting. Days 15 to 21 are for small upgrades that are going to pack a big punch. A fresh coat of paint in a neutral color and updated light fixtures can make a big difference without breaking the bank. Consider staging your home too. Rearrange your furniture for an open feel and add stylish touches like fresh flowers. Days 22 through 27 are for getting professional photos, videos, and creating a 2D and 3D floor plan. Great media assets attract more buyers online, so invest in a skilled photographer and videographer. Finally, days 28 through 30, you're going to be preparing for showings. Keep your home neat and tidy, and remove personal items so buyers can envision themselves in your space. Seem like a lot? A professional real estate agent can guide you through the process from start to finish, including bringing in their team of stagers, cleaners, and photographers who will do a bulk of the work for you. Interested? Send me a DM. For a more detailed breakdown of this 30-day plan, check out my latest blog post.